I'll show you how to fix your mouse if it's not working properly in Windows 10 or 11. First, open the Windows Start menu, type Run, and click on the Run app to launch it. In the Run window, type control.exe and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the control panel. Next, click on the View by drop-down in the top right corner and select Large Icons. Then, click on the Mouse option to open the Mouse Properties window. In the Buttons tab, you'll see a section labeled Double-Click Speed. If the speed is set too far to the left, slow, move the slider to the right to increase the speed for a more responsive double-click. Now go to the Wheel tab. Under vertical scrolling, change the value for the following number of lines at a time to 7. Then, under horizontal scrolling, set the value to 5. Important, before making any changes, write down the original settings just in case you need to revert them later. Once you're done, click Apply, then OK. Your mouse should now be working more smoothly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.